Bodine's Auto Dim can simplify and optimize your emergency lighting by using your luminaire's 0 to 10 volt dimming connections. But how exactly does it work? Let's look at how Bodine's Eli S50, equipped with Auto Dim, provides you with the emergency lighting you need, and only what you need. This is a typical UFO high bay luminaire. It's powerful, rated at 250 watts, and very compact. You need emergency lighting, but with access only to the AC input and dimming connections, there's no easy way to connect an emergency LED driver. An inverter is a great option, but a typical inverter must provide more than the full 250 watts rating of the luminaire, meaning the inverter must be large and expensive and provide much more light than is needed in the emergency mode. Luckily, Bodine's inverters are anything but typical. Let's explore how the Eli S50 with Auto Dim works in this application. During installation, AC mains and room dimming controls are connected to the input of the Eli S50, and the Eli S50 output is connected to the luminaire's AC input and dimming input. Once installed, and when AC mains power is present, the Eli S50 passes AC power and the room's dimming control to the luminaire. The luminaire works as it should, providing up to its rated light output. When AC power fails, the inverter generates AC voltage from its internal battery and automatically dims the output of the luminaire, reducing the power requirements to 50 watts. Need more light or want to power multiple luminaires from one inverter? No problem. Here we have an Eli S400 powering these three fixtures for a total AC load of 750 watts. When in the emergency mode, Auto Dim will power the fixtures at the highest output possible, per the inverter's ratings. No room dimmer? No problem. As long as the Eli S50's 0 to 10 volt output is connected to the luminaire's dimming input, Auto Dim will take control as soon as AC mains is lost. In summary, Bodine's Auto Dim is the ultimate in flexibility, allowing you to size the emergency lighting inverter based on what you need and only what you need. Bodine has a variety of emergency lighting inverters. For more information, visit www.bodine.com/inverter. For information on all things Bodine, or if you have any questions, comment below or visit us at www.bodine.com. Email us at bodinetech@signify.com or call us at 1-888-BODINE-8.